after an absence of over 2 years, I'm back to the channel and I'm trying to think of new ideas to keep up my own motivation in trying to follow up with the channel, making new videos and helping it grow as at the beginning. So I came up with this new idea, which I think would be very helpful for the students and will be I think it will be interesting for myself as well. So I would encourage you to send me questions or doubts regarding the lessons or regarding Spanish language, and I try to record a 1-minute short video where I can address that specific question of yours, and then I will publish that short video with your name in the description or in the title of the video. Okay, so the idea is to make very short videos so that I can publish many addressing those individual questions that you might have. I hope I can make this sustainable in the long run. Okay, therefore it is of utmost importance that I keep that very short, right? And that will be good for you because it will make the course more personalized, right? More customized as well. And for myself, it will help me keep up my motivation, building the channel even further. Okay, so once again, I invite you all to post on the comments your questions regarding Spanish language, grammar, pronunciation, spelling, whatever you like.